Right, so we're looking at averages from frequency tables, and this is a frequency table on number of vehicles households own. So what this one means is that one household has 0 vehicles, and then 5 households have 1 vehicle, 9 households have 2 vehicles, etc., etc. So basically what you've got to remember is if this was listed out, there would be 1 0, 5 1s, 9 2s, 3 3s and 1 4. Okay, now first thing we could, I'm just going to rub out that arrow there. First thing we can work out is how many households. So total households, and we just need to add up the frequency there. So total households would be 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1, which is 6, 15, 15, 19. Okay, everyone happy with that? All we've done is add up the frequency. I'll just check I haven't made a mistake. That's nice, that's fine. Now, next thing you might be asked is the mode. Right, now the mode, whilst you might be tempted, most, we know about that, don't we? And you might be tempted to say 1 is because 1 appears twice in the frequency column. Actually, the mode is 2 because 2 occurs 9 times. Alright, so there you go. Now, the group containing the median, or the median would be, now the median is halfway. Now we've got 19 here, halfway up to 19. I'm just going to rub out that there we go. Median's halfway, so if we've got 19, halfway to that now, if you remember you add 1 and halve it, so it's the 10th bit of data. So up to this point here I've got 1 bit of data. Up to this point here I've got 6 bits of data because it's 1 and 5, alright, and up to this point here I've got 15 bits of data because it's 1 add 5 add 9, and so therefore the middle piece of data is going to be in the 2 group. So hopefully we're happy with that. Now the range, okay, well, what's the largest number of vehicles in a household? Well, that's 4. And the smallest number of vehicles in a household is 0, and so therefore the range is 4. So we're looking at the top bit, the vehicles in a household section, and then finally, and this is the crux of the matter, we're going to find the mean. Now, the best way to do this, there's 1 0, there's 5 1s, there's 9 2s, there's 3 3s, and there's 1 4. Okay, so we're going to add that up, and remember when we have the mean we divide by how many there are, and there are 19. So we're going to do that. That is 5, hold on, we've got 5 plus 18 plus 9. It'd be helpful if I turn my calculator on. 5 plus 18 plus 9 plus 4. So that is 36 divided by 19. Now it's not going to be a nice number. They rarely are actually. Divided that by 19 and we get 1.89 vehicles. So there you go. Alright, so that's how you work out averages using frequency tables. Just got to be a little bit careful, and as long as you know what they sort of mean, what the frequency table actually stands for. So the frequency is how many of the numbers above there are if they were all listed out.